Hello and welcome to another video. This is the Powkiddy V90. It's a handheld portable retro games console which emulates loads of old consoles, and it has over 2,000 games included. So let's get it out of the box and let's have a look. So this came shipped to me directly from China by the lovely people at TomTop, and in here you get the Powkiddy V90 itself wrapped up in a plastic bag. Then underneath this plastic fitment is a white USB-C cable for charging and some instructions which are in both English and Chinese. So now it's out of the box. Looking at the console itself, you can see it's made to look like the old Gameboy Advance SP, which is just one of the consoles it emulates. You can get this in yellow or red at the moment, although this red one does look a little bit closer to orange, and the plastic used does look a little bit on the cheap side. And there you have the Powkiddy logo on the top here. So looking around it, on the front edge is the USB-C charging port and a headphone jack. Moving to the left hand side, you've got the volume control wheel, and the back edge has the R1, R2, L1 and L2 buttons. And then on the right side is a power switch and a micro SD card slot, which when you get it, it includes the preloaded operating system and those couple of thousand games. The base has a battery cover, and as you can see, the 1020 mAh rechargeable battery is removable and easily replaceable. In fact, I think this is a copy of an old Nokia battery. So I've been getting about 3 or 4 hours use out of a single charge, and it takes about 2.5 hours to charge up. Turning it back over and flipping it open, you can see the similarities to the Gameboy Advance SP. So you have the D-pad on the left, which is a decent size for my big thumb to navigate. X, Y, A and B buttons on the right. Select and start are there. And then you have this menu button in the middle here. All pretty standard controller placement, and the buttons do feel okay and quite responsive. At the front down here are 2 speakers, one on each side, and the middle is a status LED that shows green when it's powered up and red when it's charging. The screen is a 3-inch backlit LCD with a resolution of 320 by 240. It's pretty bright and colourful, and it's pretty clear. Looking at the built-in emulation software, as I said, it comes pre-installed on the included 16GB SD card with emulators for Game Boy, GameBoy Color, Game Boy Advance, Famicom and Super Famicom, which are the NES and Super NES of course. Then there's SEGA's GameGear, Master System and MegaDrive. Then you've got PS1, Geo Pocket, something called Wonderswan, which to be honest I've never heard of, but apparently it had some moderate success in Japan in the early noughties. Then there's PC Engine, MAME, Neo Geo, CPS and finally some arcade games. There are also some other built-in games and apps, but I'm going to concentrate here on just the emulated stuff. The quality and performance of games in the main is pretty good. Some of the more complex games, especially those on the PlayStation, do struggle a bit, but the majority of those made for handheld devices like the Game Boy machines work really great. So let's have a little look at some of those games in action, and I'll try and pick at least one from each machine. So what do I think overall? Well, if you have a hankering back to handheld gaming on old systems or want a neat little gaming travel buddy, then this is a great choice. I love the size and portability of it. My son has already decided that I'm not allowed to play it. He's going to have it all to himself, so I might have to buy another one. It's not perfect, as I said before. A proportion of games suffer from poor performance, especially the PlayStation ones, but in the main, the ones I play work really well. For about £30 in the UK, I would say that it's definitely well worth a look. So I want to say a huge thanks to everyone who supports the channel, especially my current Patreons. And I'll leave links to my Patreon account in the description below, where if you like, you can pop along and join these lovely people in supporting the channel. Speaking of supporting the channel, why not pop along to our Teespring store and grab yourself some cool merch like the t-shirt I'm wearing in today's video. So give this video a like if you liked it. Got loads more videos coming very soon. Best way not to miss any of those is to subscribe below. It doesn't cost a thing, and if you click the bell notification icon, you'll be told every time I upload a new video. Speaking of new videos, why not watch one of our other videos on the left hand side of the screen right now. So thanks for watching, and I will see you later.